ako'y kakapan ng dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga mo na, ako nang mahal. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa. Pahinga mo na, ako na.
Milestone in our life aren't possible without you. Thank you, parents, for your unwavering support and hard work. Thank you. You have been the pillars of strength. Your sacrifices have gone unnoticed, and we are eternally grateful for everything you have done. Your words of wisdom, comforting hugs, and your belief in our abilities have kept us going through these challenging times. We are forever grateful for your love and guidance. I request the students to show their love and express how grateful you are to have wonderful parents. Hug your mama, papa, your lolo and lola, and tell them how much you love them. Once again, thank you, Mapa, for giving us the wings to fly.
Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga mo na, ako na. Pahinga mo na, kami